Welcome back to Energy Cleaning and Life Hacks. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 11 stinky solutions to make your bathroom smell like rose petals or something delicious. Number 1, make sure your vents are cleaned out. If these are not working properly, mildew, must, all the things. This one's a bit controversial here, but you'll notice in my bathroom, what do I not have all over the floor? Rugs, especially by the toilet. Why? Rugs collect skin cells, yucky stuff, moisture, mildew, and depending upon how often you wash your rugs, they could be the culprit. And it makes cleaning much easier because you're not having to shake rugs and move rugs, and your bathroom smells better. Stinky drains are often the culprit. You could be using hydrogen peroxide, which is great, baking soda and vinegar, but one of my favorites right here is this OxiClean White Revive. It smells delicious and it's chlorine free, especially if you do not want to use bleach. Put as much of that down your drain as you can. Let that sit and then run it with warm water. You'll be amazed at how nice your bathroom smells. Well, we're on the OxiClean kick right here. Towels, not just the white, but they make all types of OxiClean. It will make your bathroom smell better, especially if there's a lot of moisture stuck in them, mildew, you know what I'm talking about. Like this one right here. I use this in every single load of laundry. Stinky trash can 1, make sure you're emptying your trash can often, but also you can put some baking soda at the bottom of it, sprinkled with a little essential oil to liven it up a bit. I like lemon. Oh, and a bonus tip, make sure that you are cleaning your drains out frequently in case there's any stuck in hair and gunk. Dollar Tree. See? Fresh as a daisy. If you're wondering how I keep all my whites white with 4 kids, I'll link that video in the description box below. Speaking of oil, ooh, lemon and mint, shall we? Oh, yes. Boop, 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 boop. By the way, did you know that you can also put it in your Kleenex box? Yep, just flip this tab right here, reseal it, pop a little in the bottom, good to go. Use as little or as much as you want and refreshen as needed. By the way, which way do you put your toilet paper rolls? Do you put it like this or are you team this way? Let me know in that comments box below. I mean, you could just spray some room spray, but that's kind of boring. That's not very exciting. And you could get some poopery. Or you could just get yourself some, oh boy. Clearly someone was not using one of these dude bombs. This is real life, my friend. Real life, my friend. They're making quite the assumption here by calling it a dude bomb now, aren't they? That looks much better. By the way, if you're new here, I have 4 kids and a lot of people in and out of my house all the time. That almost cleaned itself. What's happening in the back of the toilet often impacts what's happening in the front of the toilet. Get yourself some Windex. Give it a good squirt in here. Be generous with it. The alcohol and ammonia in here work amazing at killing bacteria. Let that sit for a hot minute. Give it a flush. But bam! Also, do not forget about that toilet brush. The same reason we clean our dishwasher and our washing machine. I know it seems crazy, but it's gotta be done. Especially if you want the best smelling house on your block. We're in my boys' bathroom. I apologize ahead of time if we're gonna find some unsightly things. I should have some gloves, but good thing is we can all wash our hands now, can't we? Okay, not looking too bad. Typically, I have to go in here every single morning because it is that nasty. Get yourself some hydrogen peroxide. This is one of my favorite cleaning things. A little nozzle like this. Make sure that you keep it in an amber bottle or just do this. Spray this all around. All around, yes, in there. Do not forget down in there either. I was just thinking about this. We don't wear gloves to lift the toilet seat, so there we go. All right, I want you to do this every now and again. Right in here, your toilet seat collects a lot of urine in there. You're gonna see it here just with taking this Q-tip. It's very disgusting. I made an entire video about how to remove this quickly and easily so that your bathroom will smell delicious. Oh, look at that. Yes. By the way, if you really want some clean floors, get yourself one of these steamers. This is not sponsored. Nothing that I talk about is sponsored. Chemical free, just water and heat. I will link this video in the description box below in case you're interested in seeing something a bit more detailed. Oh, and I should mention, this is also a vacuum. Give this video a thumbs up, put the video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.